Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 7th maths. Now let us begin practice set 37 on page number 64. In this practice set, we are going to study about direct proportion. If 7 kg onions cost 140 rupees, how much must we pay for 12 kg onions? Here the cost of 7 kg of onions is 140 rupees given. Okay, you have to find cost of 12 kg of onions. First one weight of onions is given 7 kg. Then the second one weight of onions is given 12 kg. Here the weight of onions is increased. If 7 kg onions cost is 140 rupees, then the cost of 12 kg of onions will increase. So this is direct proportion. Let us begin the sum. Weight of onions is 7 kg upon cost of onions is 140 rupees. If you want to find the cost of 12 kg of onions, take it as x. Let x be the cost of 12 kg of onions. You have to write this in statement. Weight of onions upon cost of onions is 7 kg upon 140 rupees, and that will be your first ratio. When you are finding the cost of 12 kg of onions, you have taken value as x, and this you have to write in second ratio now. Weight of onions is 12 kg upon cost of onions is x rupees. Okay, so this is second ratio of weight of onions to the cost of onions. Here the weight of onions increases, so the cost of onion also increases. The ratio of the weight of onions to the cost of onions remains constant. This is an example of direct proportion. In the first ratio, weight of onions upon cost of onions which you wrote and the number which is given here, you have to arrange it on the left side, that is 7 upon 140. Then on the right side, a second ratio what you wrote, weight of onion upon cost of onion, the number which is given here, you have to arrange it on the right side, and that is 12 upon x. You have to find cost of 12 kg of onions, so cost is x. And then you have to use it by cross multiplication method. 7 into x is equal to 140 into 12. 7 into x is 7x. 140 into 12, answer is getting 1680. You have to find the value of x. Okay, x is equal to 1680 upon 7. Number 7 which is there on the left side with x, number 7 you have to shift it on the right side and you have to write it in denominator. So it becomes x is equal to 1680 upon 7, and 1680 upon 7 you have to divide. Here look at the picture on the left side. I have multiplied first 140 into 12. Answer is getting 1680. Then 1680 upon 7 I divided, quotient is getting 240. So x value I am getting 240 rupees. Therefore, cost of 12 kg of onions is 240 rupees. Now we will do the next sum. Okay. If 600 rupees buy 15 bunches of feed, how many will 1280 rupees buy? You have to find the bunches of feed for 1280 rupees. Okay. Here the given cost, first one is 600 rupees. Other given cost is 1280 rupees. Other given cost which is given here is increased here. For 1280 rupees, the bunches of feed will be more. Okay, so this is direct proportion. Let us begin the sum. Bunches of feed is 15 upon cost is 600 rupees. So this you have to write in first ratio like this. Bunches of feed upon cost is equal to 15 upon 600 rupees. You have to find the bunches of feed for 1280 rupees. So you have to write the statement, let X be the bunches of feed for 1280 rupees. Okay. Bunches of feed for 1280 rupees which you have taken as X value, this you have to write in second ratio form. So again you have to arrange bunches of feed is X upon cost is 1280 rupees. Second ratio also you have to write same thing like first ratio. You have to arrange it same thing. Bunches of feed upon cost is equal to X upon 1280 rupees. Here the given cost increases, so the number of bunches of feed also increases. The ratio of the number of bunches of feed to its cost remains constant. This is an example of direct proportion. Here in the first ratio which you wrote, bunches of feed upon cost, the number which you wrote here, arrange it on the left side, and that is 15 upon 600. Second ratio which you wrote, bunches of feed upon cost, that is X upon 1280. That you have to arrange it on the right side, and afterwards you have to use by using the cross multiplication method. Okay, now find the value of X. Now let us begin the cross multiplication method. 600 into X is equal to 15 into 1280. Like this you have to write cross multiplication method. Now find the value of X now. X is equal to 15 into 1280. Right side which is their number, that you have to write on the right side. Left side which is their number, that you have to, it will go on denominator. X is equal to 15 into 1280 upon 600. Okay, you have to cut 1 0 now. Cancel it properly. Okay, and then 100 numerator which is there here, 15 into 128, multiply it first. I look at the picture on the left side. I have multiplied 128 into 15. Answer is getting 1920. After multiplying 15 into 128, answer which you got 1920. Then afterwards you have to divide 1920 upon 60. Okay. X is equal to 1920 upon 60. So again cut here numerator and denominator 110. X is equal to 192 upon 6. After cutting 1 0 on numerator and other 0 on denominator, X is equal to 192 upon 6. When you divide 192 by 6, answer is getting 32. Therefore, the bunches of feed is 32 for 1280 rupees. Look at the picture here. I have divided 192 by 6. Quotient is coming 32. So this is the answer. Now we'll begin third sum. For 9 cows, 13 kilogram 500 gram of food supplement are required every day. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? First one, number of cows is given 9. Second one, number of cows is given 12. So the number of cows is increased. First one, number of cows the weight of food supplement is required is 13 kilogram 500 gram. So the second one, number of cows which is given 12, the weight of food supplement required will be more. Okay, so this is direct proportion. 13 kilogram 500 gram of food supplement is 13,500 gram. In the number, if one is given in kilogram and other in gram, so when you want to convert into gram, it becomes 13,500 gram. When you are converting gram to kilogram, you have to take upon 1000. 13,500 upon 1000 will become 13.5 kg. Means you have to put the decimal point. When you divide 13,500 upon 1000, you have to put the decimal point, it becomes 13.5 kg. Before 3 digit, you have to put the decimal point there. You have to count it backside onwards when you want to put the decimal point. And in bracket is given 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, or 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. Number of cows is 9 upon weight of food supplement is 13.5. Number of cows upon weight of food supplement is equal to 9 upon 13.5. This you have to write in the first ratio which is given. For 9 cows, 13.5 kilogram weight of food supplement are required. Then for 12 cows, how much weight of food supplement is required? You have to find. So you have to take the value of x. Let x kg of food supplement required for 12 cows. Number of cows is 12 upon weight of food supplement is x. So this you have to write in second ratio. Number of cows upon weight of food supplement is 12 upon x. For 12 cows, you have to take it as x value of weight of food supplement. So this you have to write in the second ratio. Remember this. Here the number of cows increases, so the weight of food supplement also increases. The ratio of the number of cows to the weight of food supplement remains constant. This is an example of direct proportion. In the first ratio which you wrote here, number of cows upon weight of food supplement is, the number is 9 upon 13.5 which you wrote in the first ratio, and you have to write it on the left side. And in the second ratio, number of cows upon weight of food supplement which you wrote, the number is 12 upon x. Weight of food supplement for 12 cows, you have to find it, and value of x you have to find by using the cross multiplication method. Now you have to use the cross multiplication method. 9 into x is equal to 13.5 into 12. Find the value of x. X is equal to 13.5 into 12 upon 9. 9 into x, which is there on the left side. 9 is there. When you are taking on the right side here, from left to right side, it will go on denominator when you find the value of x. 13.5 upon 9, first to divide. Quotient is coming 1.5. And then afterwards 1.5 into 12 you have to multiply. The value of x is getting 18. X is equal to 1.5 into 12. X is equal to 18 kg. Therefore, the weight of food supplement required is 18 kg for 12 cows. Look at the picture. 1.5 into 12, which I have done multiplication. Decimal point is there. You have to count it before one decimal point. After getting answer, before one digit you have to put the decimal point. One decimal place is there. 1.5 into 12 become 18. Therefore, the weight of food supplement required is 18 kg for 12 cows. If you like my maths teaching, please don't forget to subscribe it on YouTube channel. Thank you.